massive global economic data. Hello and welcome to our weekly outlook. Last week, Evergrande was the market sentiment creator and destroyer. In the week ahead, still, news about Evergrande will be important for the market participants. ECB from on the central banking on Wednesday will be in the spotlight, while we have massive economic data all across the week with the Chinese holiday on Friday. Let's have a look at the most important events of the coming days. Number 1, US durable goods order. While Monday, the BOJ minutes will publish and should provide more information on central bank's outlook on economy, the US durable goods order will be more important to watch. As the reopening process progresses for many businesses to replenish their depleted inventories should keep durable goods use and orders strong. Excluding aircraft and defense goods, order had remarkable recovery, and now we're expecting to see the 53 gross new orders reported by Boeing for August. These great expected data should support the stock markets. However, bulls will be limited since it will make tapering start faster. Number 2, US consumer confidence. For many investors and market participants, it's one of the most important economic factors to watch. After a sharp drop to 113.8 in August, for the week ahead, we are expecting a big recovery in September numbers. However, this recovery will be limited as many places and services resume their mask requirements, and unemployment benefits also already expired on September 6th. It must be positive for US dollar index and support its current overall uptrend. Number 3, ECB forum on central banking. Event of the week where the major investors in financial markets will be looking to find any clue about the central bank's outlook on the global economic recovery, and their insight about taking actions is the ECB forum on central banking on Wednesday. In this virtual panel, BOE Governor Bailey, ECB President Ms. Lagarde, BOJ Governor Mr. Kuroda, and Fed Chair Mr. Powell will speak. Number 4, gross domestic products. The most important economic index will clear the final US and UK GDP numbers for the second quarter. After a sharp decline in the second quarter in 2020 in UK and United States, we saw fast economic recovery in both countries. For the final number of the second quarter GDP in 2021, we are expecting to see that economy performed markedly better than expected at the beginning of the year, despite concerns of a slowdown in the third quarter. And finally, number 5, manufacturing PMIs. In almost all developed economies, we have already seen significant signs of weakness in the past few months. In a week ahead, we will have manufacturing purchasing manager index numbers from China, European countries, and United States. And now, while we can see growing signs of weakness as we head into the winter with energy prices raised, mostly in Europe actually, it can prompt production shutdown. There is a chance that this could well start to get reflected in September PMI numbers. These expected weakness supposed to put the German DAX and other European stocks a bit under pressure. Thanks for being with us and hope the week ahead will be an amazing week for you.